Hey guys, how are you today? We are having technical difficulties, you know,
Per usual.
Yeah. But Shelby is here today. We are doing cell phone, but we are also recording it for YouTube. So hello everyone. I am Krissy with the Windsweptcowboy. Shelby manning 2 cell phones because we're going to try and put this on the blog too. So
yes,
bear with us. It's actually a super inexpensive, super easy, super fast project that we have for you today, and it's mainly Dollar Tree items. So I absolutely loved this jar when we found it at Dollar Tree, and it's got like all of these little edges on it. I'm not sure if...
And I did take an up-close photo for the blog post too.
Yes. So look for that. And super, super cute, and has a nice little wide mouth. And we were kind of planning like a Galentine's Day little get together. Yes.
Yes.
So this is like their little treat. And we're going to throw some stuff in here from Dollar Tree and make it look super cute.
Yay!
I really wanted some shredded paper, but I could not find the shredded paper.
Okay, I'm going to try and like take a photo and film at the same time.
This, yeah, poor Shelby. She has 3 things going on right now.
And a bunch of lights. And
yes. So I'm just going to stick some raffia down in the bottom just to add a little bit of color.
So bear with me, guys. I need like another person.
Truly.
Okay, hold on. I'm going to get a picture of that.
Okay.
Okay.
So we also found this super cute candle too.
Yeah.
And it's like got X and O's and I love you and be mine and all that. So this was $1 also at Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to kind of stick some stuff down in here.
Yeah, that's cute.
Just little festive things.
Let
And
me get a picture. So bear with me, folks. Okay.
And then we saw these super cute lip oils.
Yeah, look how nice that looks.
And it's going to look really cute down in the jar. I'll turn it around. I may have to put it in first. Let's see.
Okay. Let's see. This will be the trick.
Yeah, I don't even think we tested this. So, yeah.
I don't remember.
Let's see if the candle will go in there. I meant to take it out.
Oh, shoot. You know what? Yeah. Well, consensus?
Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to do that. Darn, because this was so cute. I love the packaging on this. Oh, well.
Well, it's still cute.
Yeah. And maybe it's like hooked to that foil, so we'll see.
Oh, okay. True. What do you think? Nope. I think it'll look fine on its own.
Oh, look. There we go. Okay.
Okay.
That will work, so we're going to do that.
Perfect.
And then we'll stick the candle in there the other way.
Other way, yep. Candle first.
Yes, there we go. Cute.
Okay. I'm going to take a picture of that. Okay.
And then we got a bag of these cute little chocolates, and I'm just going to stick that in around there.
Yes, the best part, honestly.
And yeah, this would be really cute for like a teacher gift.
Oh, yeah.
Or, you know, you could put like lotions and things like that down in there. Which would be, I would love to get a gift like that.
Right? I mean, we go through enough.
Well, I mean, the chocolate alone.
I know. You can just fill the jar with chocolate, and that's what I want. Just give me the bag. Just buy me 1 bag of chocolate, and I will be happy. Okay. So I'm going to take a picture. Maybe. There we go. Okay.
Cute. And now we're going to decorate like the outside. And we found this, I'm almost positive we got this at Dollar Tree.
Pretty sure we got
Even
it
though
at
there's
Dollar
$1.99 on it, I'm positive we got it there. And it's really, really cute. I am going to just hot glue it around this lid area to add some color to it. So, just gonna cut and find like where the back would possibly be.
Okay, I'm going to try and take a picture. So you guys can kind of see, you can see through my other camera.
There you go, yeah. And you know, that's like a neat little perspective.
Yes, there's a lot of behind the scenes happening right now because our internet is not cooperating.
Yes. So I'm just gonna take a little dab more of glue and then just kind of close that off.
Okay, got it.
And there you go, there's that. I mean, that's so cute.
Look at that. Look at all the candy in there, guys.
Yes.
Yum. Okay, let me get a photo of that. Maybe. Here, you guys can watch me attempt to get my portrait mode to work.
One-handed.
One hand. Okay, good enough.
So YouTube, this is what we have so far.
So cute and
Yeah.
looks delicious.
And then I have this little wooden heart. Now I've used these before. I got this at Hobby Lobby. This was not Dollar Tree. But this stuff was like laying around in my craft closet. So I drilled a hole through that. And then I'm going to write the person's name on the heart and then attach it to the jar so you know who they belong to.
Perfect.
And I just have like a fine point Sharpie that I'm going to use.
Okay, I'm going to try and get a picture of this.
And it's probably going to lay like that. So I'm going to write the person's name like across this way.
Okay, you go for it. I'm going to
Alright.
try and show. Oh, is it for me?
Yes.
Yay! Am I your Galentine?
You're my Galentine.
Aw, cool.
And then I just draw a little heart on it.
I'll share my chocolate with you.
Okay. And make it cute and festive.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Cute.
And then I'm just going to hopefully be able to thread this through.
The hardest part of this whole DIY.
Yes. And then I'm going to wrap it around a couple of times and then tie like a bow on it. You find the front, probably like right there.
Alright, it's telling me we have low network connection, so don't fret guys, if you miss something important, there will be a blog post and a video on YouTube that we're recording that doesn't have anything to do with the internet. Hopefully.
Yeah, I'm not sure how well it's showing up on the camera, but I'm hoping.
Let me get picture. Come on. Come on. Okay, is that, you want to turn it around for me? Cute. Okay, and here, I'll show you. I don't know what anyone can see. Oh, it says connection available now. Okay, so maybe we're back.
And that is Verizon, actually.
Yeah, because I'm not even on our Wi-Fi
We are
right
not
now.
on Wi-Fi. That's strictly.
We're using data.
Yes. To make sure that we can bring this to you without any interruption and problems. So, look how super cute.
That turned out so cute. Give it a twirl. Show the people. Look, that's so fun.
Yeah.
I'm so excited to get that.
Where's mine? No.
That's next. That's after we're done recording.
Okay. So yeah, I don't know if any of you guys are Parks and Rec fans, but that is where Galentine's actually started.
No way.
Yes, Leslie
Oh.
No. Yep, she thought of Galentine's, which is February 13th.
Oh, so coming up, guys.
Yes, you can spend it with your gals and have a nice little dinner and some drinks, whatever you guys love. And of course, we love chocolate.
Yes.
And that is what we are going to be celebrating. And
I think that's it.
Yeah, so I mean, definitely if you've got kids in school and you need a good teacher gift, I mean, who wouldn't want
I know, that's so
something
cute.
like that? And it was so cheap. I mean, less than $5.
Yeah.
You could have something like that to give.
All right.
So, all right, guys, I will talk to you next week. You go and have a great day and happy crafting.